let us study about the acids, bases and the formation of salts. So, in this concept, let us first study about what are acids. See, acids are the proton donators, or they will donate the H plus ions. So, they will donate the H plus ions. Okay. Next, let us also see how the acids are classified. The acids are classified into two types. That is, one is strong acid, second one is the weak acid. See, let us see what is strong acid and what is weak acid. Already I told you, acids are the proton donators and they will donate the H plus ions. In the strong acid, so we will give some examples first. So sulfuric acid and HCl are the strong acids. Similarly, the weak acids, there are many weak acids. I will give another two examples, that is acetic acid and formic acid. Formic acid. So let us see what is strong acid. Strong acid is the acid which will liberate the H plus ions very early, or readily they will release us the H plus ions. That's why they are called as strong acids. But coming to the weak acids, they are the weak electrolytes which partially ionizes the H plus ions. Means the H plus ions they will liberate very slowly. So that is about the acids. If you come to the bases, the bases are the also called as alkalines and they will liberate the OH minus ions. In the case of acids, they will liberate the H plus ions. In the case of bases, they will liberate OH minus ions. They are also called as hydroxyl ions. They are also called as hydroxyl ions. So I will give some examples. So NaOH, KOH are these some examples. But before going to that examples, let us see how they are classified. They are classified into two types, that is strong bases and weak bases. Similar to your acids, the bases are classified into two types. One is strong base, second one is weak base. What is a strong base? Strong base is a base which will partially ionize the OH minus ions. But in the case of weak acids, weak bases, they will partially ionize the OH minus ions very slowly. But in the case of strong bases, they will liberate the OH minus ions readily. That is the difference between strong base and the weak base. The strong bases always they will give the OH minus very quickly. That is the main objective. So the example is NaOH and KOH. Okay. In the case of weak bases, the example is TMA. Okay. So this is about your acids and the bases.